Question 42 makes use of alternate angles. Now, as I mentioned before, two parallel line systems got the following relationship present. Some of you may have heard of this as the Z rule. So when we construct these questions, we've got to make sure that we're working with a pair of parallel lines and we know this Z rule, or the relationship between the interior angles, alternate and interior angles rather. So the bearing from point B from A is 30 degrees true. So that's B up here, 30 degrees. And I'll sketch a little north-south grid up here. Now, that in turn makes that angle there 30 degrees as well. So if I'm putting it in a true sense, bearing from B to A, well, I've got 180 degrees as well. 180 plus 30, which is 210 degrees true. Looking at part B of this question, we're looking at the bearing of point P from Q of 120. So arc that around to there, to 120, and draw the line in. So it's 120 degrees. That's made up of a 90 and a 30. That in turn makes this angle here at P 30 degrees. Expressing this as a true, I've got 270 degrees from north to that point at west. So the bearing of Q from P is equal to 300 degrees true. Now, in part C, the bearing of point X from Y is 275 true, so all the way around to about here. I'll put that in there. That's 275 degrees. North, of course, 0 and 360. Now that little angle here, obviously not to scale, is 5 degrees. So that in turn makes this angle here between the east, going back, the Z rule, 5 degrees as well. I have to swing around 90 degrees to get there, so it's a 95 degrees, or 0, 95 true reference from X to Y.